Hey guys, I'm Cassie from Zappos. Today we are checking out the Dalston Stockholm Holdall Tote from KNOMO London. This carry-all bag is just that. It's going to carry everything you need for a night or a weekend away. It's great to carry by the handle straps up top, nice and soft, or it also offers a detachable and adjustable crossbody strap. Now here we have a very sleek, sophisticated style with this durable nylon. It is lightweight, splash resistant. I mean, it's got everything for you. This bag also features a flat base, and like in its name, there is an area for a 15-inch laptop right in the back. It's nice and padded and lined in this gorgeous yellow lining. Now I'm used to seeing their red, but I am a huge fan favorite of this yellow. The front features 2 zip pockets here for added storage. The main compartment opens up, and on the inside, it kind of reminds me of a duffel bag, yet a little bit more sophisticated. You have a great spacious interior that has 2 mesh slip pockets along this side, and it also features another 2 mesh pockets on that opposite side with a zipper closure on that panel. It's going to help you remain nice and organized. You can always be guaranteed a sleek and modern style with KNOMO London, and this bag is no exception. It's going to be perfect for your work lifestyle.